So Alexander will tell what other ways you can learn Danish.
Yeah. So you have your hobby,
Okay.
and for example, you were playing PlayStation, Nintendo.
Yeah.
Then instead of playing a game in English, you play it in Danish.
He plays it in Japanese.
So that's how you learn Japanese?
Yeah, that's how I learn Japanese.
Yeah, that's a really good way, I guess. Hi Ali, welcome to Need Vlog. So I just said welcome to my new vlog in Danish. After watching this whole video, you guys will know all the best possible ways to learn Danish. Moving to a new country can be super challenging, mostly when you don't speak the country's language. And that's why in today's video, I'll talk about all the best possible ways to learn Danish. But first, let me tell you why it's so important to learn Danish when you move to Denmark. Although 90% of Danish people speak fluent English, and they will respond to English very gently, but the thing is that they will always treat you like a tourist. For me personally, I think that it's very rude to start conversation in English with some random Danish people. It's because Danish is their mother tongue and official language. You cannot just simply go to random Danish people and ask questions like, hey man, what's up, where are you from, what's your name, and stuff like this. For me personally, I think that it looks so rude and weird, but don't worry, as I always say, don't fear, joy is here with some real solutions. So the solution would be starting conversation in Danish, then politely converting it to English. To do so, you need to learn some basic Danish sentences like hi, hvordan har du det, which means hi, how are you doing? Hvad hedder du means what's your name, and you reply to it by saying jeg hedder Joy, which means my name is Joy. Jeg kommer fra Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. After starting the conversation with such basic Danish language, what I do is I try to quickly convert it into English by saying jeg taler lidt dansk, taler du engelsk? Which means I speak little bit of Danish. Do you speak English? And this would be the most polite way to start a conversation in Denmark with all the Danish folks out there. If you are planning to settle down in Denmark, I would suggest you to start learning Danish as soon as you move to Denmark. To do so, the first way would be start learning Danish with some Danish language courses with UC Plus or Danske Bureau. And if you want to learn it before moving to Denmark, websites like Duolingo, Babbel will help. Also, you can read books like Shortcut to Danish and Danish Tutor. I have taken some Danish language course and also read some Danish books. But truly saying, I found it so hard to actually speaking and understanding the language. So the solution would be practicing it with native Danish speakers. So I'm hanging out with Alexander and Johan.
Hey!
And they're translating Danish reality show
Yes.
in English so that I can understand what they're saying.
Det var faktisk ret nice. That was
It was
nice.
actually nice.
God kommentar. Men jeg gider ikke den 1 minut mere. Jeg vil bare gerne have et svip.
I would like a candy store.
Do you like candy or bacon? That's evil for you
Jeg
to ask.
elsker virkelig meget bacon, men jeg skal ikke
I really love bacon, but candy is just a little bit better.
Efter bacon, så er det for ret tit slik. Jeg vil
I
tage det
get
selv.
so much candy, so I would rather have bacon. Now it's make a funny sound. Lav en sjov lyd.
It's really good when you have some Danish people translating Danish reality show in English. Then it's more easier to learn Danish. That's the way I'm trying to learn Danish. Let's see how far it goes. The next way would be reading Danish flashcards. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of flashcards out here. And especially this one right here. This one says, do you have any good idea to be healthier? Yes, of course I have. Just eat bunch of fruits. Like I have kiwi fruit out here. It's like full of vitamin C and it's my favorite. Anyway, other ways would be listening to Danish podcast, learning through language learning apps, and also reading to Danish newspaper. Do whatever, just don't get stressed about the pronunciation in the beginning, and also don't get confused with these 3 vowels, which doesn't exist in English. Alexander will tell what other ways you can learn Danish.
Yeah. So you have your hobby,
Okay.
and for example, you were playing PlayStation, Nintendo.
Yeah.
Then instead of playing a game in English, you play it in Danish.
He plays it in Japanese.
So that's how you learn Japanese?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
how I learn Japanese.
Yeah. That's a really good way, I guess. I will definitely try that. Let's see how far it goes.
Not so many games are in Danish, but sometimes you are lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As it's like really hard language, it's best to find a hobby and find something
Yeah.
easy way to
Like
learn.
every day. So every day you watch the news or read some news.
Yeah.
Then instead of doing that in English or your own language, you do it in Danish.
Yeah, and that's what we're doing, like watching the Danish
Yeah.
TV channel,
Mhm.
news channel DR,
Yeah.
and trying to
fun.
learn a little bit Danish.
Yeah.
That's a really good way, bro. Thanks for the advice.
Held og lykke.
Tak. As my friend already said about hobbies, that's actually a really good way, and it's my favorite to learn any language. Just find anything fun, like watching movies, watching reality TV shows with the subtitle on, and also listen to Danish music with the lyrics.
Der man kan drømme. Tag mig med ud i verdens land. Der hvor man kan larme.
Tag mig med til Johanna. Tag mig med, tag mig med, tag mig med.
Det for det er der hvor man ikke bare skal passe sig selv.
I can teach you this.
So this is my favorite song, Johanna.
Tag mig ud på det
It's Kim Larsen, Johanna. My friend is trying to teach me the.
Og tag mig op i den tynde luft. Der hvor man kan svæve.
Tag mig med til Johanna. Tag mig med, tag mig med, tag mig med.
Og det er der hvor man ikke bare skal passe sig selv.
Dido, da 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 dido, da da dido, da da da.
I can teach you this.
That would be so nice of you, man. So my friend bring his album. As you guys know, Alexander, he's a professional singer in Denmark. He makes Danish music. Tell something more about your album and.
Yeah, so my band name is First Flush, and this album is called Fjorden, which means like this Norwegian landscape you see on the screen.
So this is Fjorden means landscape.
Yeah, it's very river landscape with hills. So we also have some in Denmark, and then inside it's like at the top of this fjord.
This is the landscape you're talking
Yeah,
about.
and we look down on it.
So these are the 4 members of your band.
This is my band members.
Okay, 5 members. Yeah.
And inside here you have a real vinyl record
Whoa.
in blue. Normally these are black, but we got it in like navy blue.
So this album haven't posted yet, and I feel like so lucky that I got to see this album before it's public.
Yeah,
Right.
we release it on February 5th
Okay.
on Friday. Yes.
They were supposed to have a concert, but for this current situation, they weren't able to hold the concert. But still, they are like
Still
publishing their album.
Yeah.
So hope for the best. This really helps with the pronunciation and listening. I mean, that's how I learned English, and it really works. Do whatever you can, just don't get freaked out in the beginning and quit. We all know that Danish is a tough language and it surely will take some time. But if you follow the ways I told, you can easily speak like a native Danish Viking. If you are planning to move to Denmark, please subscribe to my channel because you must watch all the videos available in my YouTube channel before you move to Denmark. And click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload such new contents. Like, comment, share if you find all my videos helpful. So that's it for today. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Tak for det og kigge med. Visis. So I just say thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, peace. Damn bro, I'm getting good at those outros.